ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं खर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय। आज मैं बना रही हूँ फॉर डिनर। आई एम मेकिंग कॉर्न मशरूम in a kind of a sauce, like a white sauce, which I will have with toast. You have to put it on toast and have it. So, see what I'm doing. Okay, please start. आपको मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है मुझे ही बताओ। मुझे आ रहा है, so I'm doing it. You first take butter. Okay, see butter. Takes time to heat, and olive oil. These are the two things because butter I don't want it to burn. So मैं पहले olive oil डाल दूँ थोड़ा सा. That's it. And then I'll throw the butter. The pan is not heated ना, that's why. जितना समय मैं बना सकूंगी मैं बनाऊंगी, क्योंकि मैं अपने लिए तो बनाती हूँ रोज। तो I thought since I'm cooking for myself, then I'll cook for you. I'll show you what I'm doing, isn't it? And then somebody or the other eats in my house, so it's fun. I like to cook for others, like I said, for myself. Because there are other people eating, I'm making it. Now this butter will take later. ये हुआ। उसके बाद you throw in अदरक, finely chopped अदरक। ओके, मैं गैस स्लो करती हूँ तो जल जाएगा। Then chopped मिर्ची। Now this is not spicy. This is not spicy mirchi. I haven't taken that. Somebody has said you can have mirchi, but this is not spicy. You can have mirchi. After this is done, just lightly saute it, and then take your capsicum. Saute. This is also very simple, easy. Only thing is you have to chop and keep everything ready. Now put the flame on high and stir. Then you throw in your corn. See, I've taken corn, so much. This was only half a capsicum I took, and so much corn. Again, depending on how many people are there. So you know, on toast it tastes very good. Stir. You have to let this cook a little bit. It should be a little crispy. And I've taken a whole big packet of button mushrooms, which I've chopped very finely because you finally have to put it on toast. Where is the milk? I need the milk later. It's there. I'll take it later. First you cook. And like I've always said, put salt so that it cooks faster. Salt के है ना rocks है इसमें. It's that Sindham namak na. It's not the regular salt. So sometimes the rocks are there. I have to always mash it up, otherwise the whole rock comes in the mouth. And that tastes very bad. You must be thinking I'm mad. Yeah, but I am. सभी भगवान के भक्त होते हैं, सब पागल होते हैं. Like I was telling somebody the other day, this is a total madhouse. You know why? दीदी used to always say कि यहाँ माँ के पास जितने भी लोग आते हैं ना, सब पेशेंट्स हैं और पागल हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि पेशेंट को ही डॉक्टर की जरूरत पड़ती है ना, और किसी को तो नहीं पड़ती. So we are all patients. I said, how wonderful is that? It's true. बोले जो पेशेंट नहीं है वो मजा कर रहे हैं दुनिया में, मौज कर रहे हैं. हम लोग सारे पेशेंट हैं इसलिए माँ के पास हैं. I said, yeah, that is so true. Now, the putting all the masalas. Put in pepper. Oregano. Little मैं ऐसे ही बस उठा के डाल दूँ. Chili flakes. Mix. It's on high flame, okay? Now what you do is, it cooks very fast because we've done tiny pieces. I take corn flour like this. Don't panic. बीच में मैं डाल देती हूँ. So I don't mix it in milk and all that. I don't do that. So ये यहाँ पे आप mix कर दो फटाफट. Mix किया. And then you pour in the milk. Let me take the milk. It's over there. Move. Pour in the milk. As much as you need. We don't need a very liquidy kind of thing. We need a thick paste. Because it has to go on toast. That's why. And stir. Let it cook. The corn flour takes a little bit to cook. And I've grated cheese over here. I've mixed 2 cheeses. So the grated one I'm taking first and throw it in. All vegetarian. And then take the sliced one that I have. To remove this is a big problem. It becomes mushy. So remove it, throw it in. Okay. Stir. It is delicious on toast. It has to thicken. It can't be liquidy, okay? So I'm waiting for that. Now supposing I feel abhi bhi thick nahi hua, then you add little more corn flour. Then I'll put it on the toast and show you when it's done. 2 slices, and that was a little grated one that I had. See, I took a whole packet of butter mushrooms, और वो है ना पूरा छोटा सा amount हो जाता है. Quantity becomes very little after you cook the mushrooms. Fell down somewhere? Yeah. And go on mixing. See, it's become thick. See, show them. See how thick it's become. It will still thicken. You know, when you switch off the gas, it will still thicken because of the corn flour. And it's delicious on toast. So you can have this on toast and have a soup with it, and you're all set for dinner. So sometimes I have things like this. Sometimes I have khichdi kadi, just plain desi. Sometimes I have jawari ka roti. Sometimes I have bajri ka rota nahi roti. And bengan ka, because bajri is so thick that it is rota. So I call it rota. So bajri ka, jawari ka, then bengan ka bharta, all this you can have. And this is done. So you switch off the gas. And see how nice it looks. I'll make a toast and show you. Now see, we are doing the toast. And once the toast is ready, she'll put it on it and show it to you. Ready hoga na? Make it a little nice and crispy. You can't put any butter on it because there's enough butter in the corn. Nahi hua. Okay, now see, the toast is ready. She's taking it out, and now you take it and just lay it on that. No need to put any butter. Spread it out, and it's delicious. Oh yeah.
See? Nice.
ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शांति शांति शांति। बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की
जय।
जय। आज का टोस्ट पे कॉर्न मशरूम पेस्ट बहुत
बढ़िया।
थैंक यू। जय माँ जय माँ।